Hi friend, this is Sohi here. Today I'm going to show you in the CheckTime software a new function they call yearly schedule or daily roster. So first make sure you have the employee in the CheckTime software. We are going to use this employee to be give different schedule. In this function you can give every day different schedule, like you have in the year 365 day. You can define a rest day every week different and schedule also every week different. First make sure you have the timetable. I create here 3 timetable: morning, afternoon and night, and we're going to use Saturday or Sunday, maybe this timetable. So this 4 timetable we have. So after this we go to the employee schedule. So we select the department. So you can select multiple employee by checking all, or you can click here to select multiple employees. So I'm selecting only one employee. Right now this employee don't have any schedule, so we go to yearly roster or daily schedule here. So you can see we have the whole year calendar here 2021. So we are going to give for the March in this employee. So you can click and drag like this. You can hold the control button for multiple drag. You can give the schedule. You want to clear, then right click, you can give any schedule for these days, or you right click, you can clear selection, so it will clear all the selection from here. For first week we assign this employee to the morning. Second week we assign to this employee for the afternoon shift. You click, drag and right click, then you select the schedule from here. So you click, drag, then right click, select the schedule. Same, you can multiple time, every date you can give different. We have here 365 days in whole year. Every day you can give different schedule. You can click, like you want to select certain selection, so you can select from here, click, then hold the control button on the keyboard, then select next, next, next. How many you can select from here, you can select, then right click on the thing. This is our rest day. We are going to give him Sunday. So we have schedule for holy this month for this employee. After done all the setting, you can give save. So once you save done, you want to view, then you can go to view here, select the date, what date you give the schedule. So you can see we have here all the schedule here. If you want to delete any particular day, you can select from here. You can delete all, then you can from green check select all and delete, or particular day, then just select and delete from here. The schedule will be deleted for that day. Now we have schedule for 1 month. We go out from here, then we go to report. You can see we have the employee here. We click, select the date range, what do you want to view, report, then query, wait for a while, report will calculate for you. Then you can go to any report, like I go to daily attendance. So this is our report calculated as per our schedule. So first week we have morning, then afternoon, then night, then we have Sunday here which we given, then morning, then afternoon. So end of the month we have the complete summary of the days whatever the guy go for the work. So this is we have all month report generated according to our schedule. So this report you can export to Excel, PDF or Word, whichever format you like. For this is the employee here. We give him the different rest day. You want to check the rest day, you can go to the employee, go to the employee profile. We have the rest day here, then you can select from here, go to the month March. So this is our rest day. You want to assign rest day for the April, like this Sunday, then second week is Saturday, third week is Sunday, then like this you can add the rest day for the employee also, then just save. So different month, different rest day you can choose for the employee, and different schedule you can use for the employee. So this is how we assign daily or yearly schedule for whole year to the particular employee or particular group. Thanks for watching.
Get your check time biometric system today. For more info, visit our website www.check-time.com.